So thanks for all attending the webinar today. So yeah, we're gonna wait for Tuan. I think it's gonna be a great webinar. We always have great feedback after that. You're gonna learn a lot about us and the industry. He's #1 loan officer in the nation for several years.
Yeah, hi. Thank you, Victoria. Hi, so everyone. Can someone, can you all share with me like some of the concern or question that you have to help you? Like what kind of help you need in order to grow your business or to be successful? What do you think the problem right now with your company or with the market? Like, of course, we all know that the rate is too high, right? The interest rate are too high. But I don't think that is the reason. Rate have been so high like this for more than 3 years. Interest rate have been high for more than 3 years, and I think who knows that this is a new normal, right? Rate might stay like this for another 5 years. You never know, right? And and I see what I see is people still buy house, people still refinance. So if we blame the market, that is not 100% correct. I can see that a lot of loan officers still doing well. So I think in order to find out in order to grow our business, we need to find out our problem. What are the reasons that our business are not doing well, or why some other loan officer are doing really well? I still see a lot of loan officer consistently close 5 to 10 loans a month, a lot. So that is one thing that I see. Another thing that I see is our industry have changed so much. Our industry have changed so much. A lot of loan officer um, have retired, given up, uh, and big company, big lender are getting bigger. Uh, and there's a change because almost all real estate company, they are now almost all real estate company, they are now getting loan license. They are doing mortgage as well. So I think um, that the landscape has changed. The real estate company now getting loan license and do loan, and vice versa. So technology also another big factor. So I I do believe that this is a new normal. We have to accept that we ourselves have to get better. We cannot rely on the market. We cannot blame the market. We cannot say, "Oh, the market are gonna get better. This is temporarily," and you hope that the market will change and that will benefit you. That is not how we should think. We all should try to improve. We all have to try to get better so that we can grow our business. The competition, the mortgage landscape has changed. So this is what I see. And yeah, give me a minute. Let me get to the office and I will talk. And then you all can discuss about this while waiting for me. It's only 1 minute. I'm sorry.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I saw that someone asked a question about like, is there any statistic the most part of leads come to LO? Which methods is better? So at Loan Factory, we have a platform which is really cool. Tuan's gonna show it to you. You can see all the sources where the leads come from. I can tell you that referral is always one of the best method, and then social media and all those kind of things as well. But again, each person is different. Some have better methods than the others. But yeah, overall, you can see how the whole company is doing. Anyone have any question? What kind of platform works for you to find clients? No one wants to share? Okay, well, I'm sure that you can have a lot of questions for Tuan today on where he can find his clients, because he's the #1 loan officer. Anyone has any other questions while we're waiting for Tuan? Okay, no one has any question?
One question. So I'm pretty new to this loan officer stuff. I just did my tests and got my licensing and everything. And I guess I'm wondering, on average, how long does it take if somebody's working, with the coaching program that you guys offer? How long does it take on average for someone who's new to close their first loan?
Very good question. And I will have to tell you that it really depends. Some new loan officers come up to the speed really quick and they can close like very fast, right? They have referral network already, friends, family who already wants to find to get mortgage, right? And some may struggle a little bit more so that they can find, okay, which platforms or where they can find their clients. So it really depends. But I can tell you that if you are hardworking and try your best, leads will come to you soon. And we also provide leads to you as well.
Yeah, thank you, Victoria. Thank you, everyone. I'm sorry I was late. So today I will show you everything about Loan Factory, who we are, why Loan Factory is the best place for loan officer. I want you, this is what I want you to do. I want you to compare your current company versus Loan Factory. You need to find a better home, right? So you need to work with a company that help you. And I also want you to find out what do you need help with. What are important nowadays for a loan officer, for you? And are we able to help you with that or not? I want to focus on you. You are the one who want to be successful. You are the one who want to become a better loan officer and have more clients, right? So I want you to keep thinking about you, yourself, your business. How can I get more clients? How can I compete? How can I continue to grow my business? How can I have more clients? All of those questions, keep asking yourself. And please ask me. I would love to hear questions from you so that I can answer it.
I have a couple quick questions. My name is Juan.
Yeah, can we hold on, because there will be a lot that I want to share, that I will be sharing today.
Okay, well, you just asked for questions.
Yeah. But again, because I have a lot to share, so if you have questions related to what I've just talked about, raise your hand right away. But if it's not related, please wait to the end, because if I keep answering questions like this, then it becomes a question and answer section. It's not about the section. I cannot show you a lot of information about Loan Factory, right? So just be a little bit patient with me. Allow me to share, and wherever I share that you have questions, raise your hand right away so that I can address that. Okay, thank you, Juan. I'm sorry about that, but I would love to hear everything, all questions from you. But wait a little bit. That's all. That's all I ask for. Okay, so I would like to share my screen so that you can see. And here is loanfactory.com website. One thing that I want you to do as well is to research about Loan Factory. Answer questions like why Loan Factory is doing so well. What are special about Loan Factory, and how can we help you? So at Loan Factory, we empower our loan officer. The moment you join Loan Factory, you become a different loan officer. You have better reputation, better technology, better support, better platform, more loan officer, more lenders to work with, more products to offer your client, everything. And I will show you. On our main website here, you can see on the left side is the $1,000 best price guarantee. We guarantee to our consumer, our client, that we will have the best pricing. If not, we will pay our clients $1,000. So we have term and condition here. And the consumer, when they come to us, they can upload their loan estimate here. They can upload the loan estimate here. And we will get back to them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat the offer, they can close the loan and send us the final CD. We will send them $1,000. Really simple. It gives us a chance to beat the other offer. And this program is valid everywhere except Washington. And we exclude jumbo loan, adjustable mortgage. We only honor conventional loan, FHA and VA for now. So any question about this? Basically, as a loan officer, when you join Loan Factory, you can take advantage of this program. We have a lot of marketing materials for you to promote it. And you think about this, really simple. A loan officer, in order to have clients, you need to impress your client. You need to let a lot of people know about you, pay attention to you, know you and like you, right? So a lot of us, we either don't even active on social media. We don't go out there and let people know about us. Or a lot of us try to be active on social media. You try to post a lot, say a lot of things, but everything is just normal, nothing special. So nobody pay attention to you. Nobody care about you because you are normal. If you are a normal loan officer, the client, the consumer might not want to work with you because you are normal. You want to be a good loan officer, the best loan officer if possible, the one who can offer them a lot of benefits. You want to be an expert who have a lot of clients. And if possible, you want to show the client that you have the best possible rate so that they will come to you. Right? Consumer want to have lower rate. So imagine you can promote on social media that you have the best rate. If not, you pay them $1,000. You will surely impress a lot of people and you get attention of them. Right? So this is what we offer you. And let's say if there's someone, a consumer come to you and for some reason we cannot beat, you lose nothing. The company, Loan Factory, will pay for that $1,000. So it's simple, but it's worked really well. And this is just the only, the first thing that we offer you. That's a lot more that we offer you. And again, if you have questions, raise your hand. Question about this. Whatever I talk about, if you have questions, raise your hand. And I love to hear from you. Any question, raise your hand. Do not be afraid. Okay? So everyone understand about this best price guarantee program. It's really easy to use. By the way, this website is for the company, but we also create a website for each of you. You can have your own website. And your website is as powerful as this website. You can customize it. It has all the features as the main website. And you can have your own domain name too. You can purchase, you can go to GoDaddy.com and buy your own domain name. It can be your first name, last name.com or something. And you own that domain name. And you can tell all your clients to go to your website to fill out application, to check rate, everything. You don't have to send them a dummy link. Nobody understands. So here is on the right side, here is our pricing engine. We are one of the very few company in America that have the consumer-facing pricing engine to help the consumer. That is telling something. That is telling the consumer that we shop around for them. We are transparent. They can see their rate in real time themselves. You know, everything. This pricing engine will help you build a trust in your client. And you know that trust in our business is everything, right? You want your client to trust you. If they don't know you, they don't trust you, they don't come to you. And you know that when you promote the program of $1,000 best price guarantee, a lot of consumers think that you lie. It's just a marketing. They don't believe you, right? You know that out there on social media, on the internet, a lot of people are lying. But again, this is a program. It's not yet an ad. We back it up. We honor that. We interact with users who are interested. And we have the pricing engine to back it up. The consumer can go here and check it themselves. They can see the rate. So for example, let me give you an example of someone that buy a home, 20% down, but have very bad credit score, right? And let's say this is another feature that really cool that other pricing engine don't have, which is we check to see if they qualify to get lower rate based on their income. So in this case, if their income really high, they don't qualify. And because they have low credit score, only 630, let's say, the rate gonna be high, 6.75%. And this pricing engine is for the consumer. The consumer, whatever they see is what they get. 6.75% with a little bit of points. We show the lender name. The consumer can see that, oh, there's 33 lenders offer this. So they click on it and they can see all the ranking. And the best lender is Sunwest. And then, you know, all the lender here. So the consumer would look at this and say, wow, this company, they shop around for us. There's so many lenders. And that, you know, if I apply, I want to get this rate from this lender. I don't want to work with the lender down here where I have to pay $3,000 or $4,000, right? So the consumer, when they see this, they love it. They love it. I say, wow, I should work with this. I should work with Loan Factory because they shop around for me. They work with so many lenders. They don't work with one or two lenders. So this help you build a trust that we are, not only that we have the technology, but we are transparent, we shop around for them, we fight for them, we work for their benefit. And when they apply, pretty sure they will get this rate and they feel better. They feel better, right? But even better than this, I have a way to lower this rate much more by, you know, having, if I answer the income, let's say if the borrower income is $230,000 a year, $230,000 a year, the borrower will qualify for AMI rate discount, which is area median income. If their income is kind of average, The government will help them. Fannie and Freddie will help them. They will waive all the adjustment, the LLPA adjustment. So let's check it out. Let's check it out, the rate. When the income, this is in California, in Silicon Valley. Every area of the country have area median income. So if your income is not too high, according to your area, then you get help. And you see rate drop by 1%, 1 full percent. From 6.75, now the rate is 5.75%. Think about this. If you quote the rate for your client at 6.75%, and Loan Factory quote the rate at 5.75%, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Right? If you click on the lender name here, you can see that 2.75% of the adjustment have been waived. And in this loan, we make 1%. So everything we show it to our client, everything is transparent. Everything is transparent so that our client can understand and they will like us. Okay. Any questions so far? Any question for whatever I show you? Please ask me. And there are so many other cool features. Remember, technology is on our side. You can check the buy down option. The borrower can pay some points to get lower cost. You select that and you can compare. You can see the break-even points. And then you can share that to your client. Or you can do this. You can compare a 30-year versus 20-year. And everything you do, it takes about 2 clicks, less than 30 seconds. So technology allows you to do things quickly. You select the 2 options, you compare 30-year versus 20-year. Really easy. And you can even compare an FHA versus VA loan. You can copy the link and share to your clients. You can see the fee. You can see the fee quickly. You can borrower can see the fee. They can apply. They can create rate alert, and they can check if they qualify or not. So they can click here, enter their income, and our system say, "Oh, your DTI 33%. You might qualify." So everything is happening so fast, so easy to help our clients. And the goal is to impress them, make them like us, and they will apply with us. And on the bottom here, we show our top loan officer, like Yilin here. This is her information. She has her own website, yilinmortgage.com. And if you click on it, you can see her website, her domain name, everything. So we build a website for you. We build a website for you. It's been quiet. Any question, please let me know. Okay. This is the main website. We also have no income doc, a pricing engine for no income doc. So for example, if the borrower cannot prove the income, they can see the rate. And we assume that they are self-employed and they go with bank statement. And they can get this rate. So this is the bank statement program. Yeah, if they are buying for investment, we automatically switch to DSCR and they can see the rate for DSCR. I think I saw a hand. Let's see, who is that? Any question? I don't think any company out there have the non-QM pricing engine like us, where you can run the pricing. You can run the pricing for non-QM loan. And remember, all of these technology, all of these software are free. You don't have to pay in order to use these software. Let me share with you something else. Hello, last name is Sari.
Yes. This may be off topic. Do we get a Loan Factory email address?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
You get everything needed, like a Loan Factory email and a company a website for you. You can customize that website. On your website, you can show the pricing engine. You can hide the lender name. You can hide your compensation. You can include or exclude some lender. You can do a lot of different things on your website. And here are all the benefits that we offer you. You get to use our technology completely free. And I will show you more about our technology. Our technology, including the POS, pricing engine, CRM, marketing, marketplace, the LOS, the support, everything. And it's free to you. We offer free training. Anyway, let me share with you. Let me log in and share with you more about Loan Factory. The good thing is all the software are free. That means you don't have to pay every month. Right now, almost all of you have to pay either technology fee or you have to pay for Loan Shifter, Lending Pad, Arrive. You have to pay all kinds of software every month. And at Loan Factory, we provide everything to you for free. You don't have to pay. And you don't have to pay any monthly fee. Nothing. So if you don't close any loan, you pay nothing. Okay? And here is our marketplace. On our marketplace, you can see we have 235 lenders. 7 of them are online. That means you can talk to them live. You can talk to the lender live. If you have any question, you click on it, you see that you can click here to talk to them live. Okay? And this lender, let's say if you click on it, you can see all the AE that working with Loan Factory. And you can reach out to them if you want to. Or below here, you can see everything about the lender. Their license, their contact information, their address, their website, the product they offer, almost everything about them. We empower you. So everything should be on your fingertips. Hey, Johnson. V. Johnson. We cannot hear you. I have to come back to you later. Okay. So on our pricing, on our marketplace here, first you can reach out to the lender. You can search them. You can hit the list of all lenders here. You can pick anyone, and then you can see them. And then you click on them to see the detail. You can also filter by correspondent or wholesale. We are a correspondent lender. So we have license in 40 states, correspondent. That means we are a lender in these 40 states. We are a lender. And we work with these investors, Rocket, Kai, PennyMac, SunWest, and Millrest. And our correspondent channel, you get the same pricing, the same fee, everything the same. A lot of brokers out there charge you more if you want to send loan to the correspondent channel. Okay, so here is the correspondent channel. You pay the same fee, you get the same pricing, everything the same. So we have a lot of investors in 40 states. That will help you a lot because as the loan officer, if you send your loan, if you submit loan to the wholesale channel, you must disclose your fee if it is motor pay. But if it is a correspondent channel, we don't have to disclose the commission that we make to the consumer because we are a lender. And also it will help us offer no point, no cost refinance too. Johnson, can you say something?
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Oh, great. Yeah, now, question about processing. Who processes the loans? We process them ourselves. And my next question is, do we run our own LP or DU, anything like that?
Yeah, our system allows you to pull credit report and run AUS. We have one-click AUS. When you click on it, it runs both LPA and DO.
Okay. And processing, is it you all process?
The processing, you cannot process. We have in-house processing, in-house processor to help you. And we charge very cheap, only $500 processing fee. And,
okay.
and you can charge the client if you send a loan into to our correspondent channel.
Okay, thank you. So thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Let me move on. So here are all the lenders, right? And let's say if you have a private loan, you don't know which lender you send the loan to. You can filter by private loan, and there's 82 lenders that can offer that can do private loan. If you look for a commercial lender, you can see that we have 53 lenders that can do commercial loan, and you can reach out to them one by one, or you can say email these, find a scenario right here. Get 1 second, I'm writing some note. You can email this lender. You can write your scenario here, right? And you can select to send it to 10 or 20 or more lender. And if you send it out, the lender will get notified on the cell phone or the email, and they will get back to you. This will help a lot because most of us in the past have said no to our clients or realtor when they have a difficult loan or a loan that you don't know. You tend to say no to them. That means you lose money, you lose client, you lose the trust in the client, and then they will never come back to you. So you want to be a good loan officer that can do any type of loans easily. So basically, we can do non-QM. We have so many different type of loan, asset utilization. You can do any type of loan. Okay. Hello, Juan. Juan.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello, Juan.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I was just curious, what LOS system do you use? Is that Lending Pad?
We build our own LOS.
Okay. proprietary?
Yes.
Okay. And what was I gonna ask? Could you run a scenario just to give us an idea on like a pricing under correspondent? Because as correspondent, we would get full comp, right?